Ever wondered how to make the perfect burger at home? It's easier than you might think. Picture this, a juicy, perfectly seasoned patty nestled between two lightly toasted buns dressed up with all your favorite toppings. Sounds mouth-watering, doesn't it? The beauty of making a burger at home is that you have complete control over the ingredients. So whether you're a fan of ground beef, turkey, chicken, or even veggie patties, this recipe has got you covered. Start by dividing your chosen protein into equal portions. Shape these into patties, taking care not to handle the meat too much, as this can make your burgers tough. Now, heat up a skillet or a grill over medium-high heat. Season the patties with a pinch of salt and pepper, and then it's time to cook. For a medium-rare patty, aim for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Of course, if you prefer your burger more or less cooked, adjust the cooking time accordingly. While your patties sizzle away, take a moment to lightly toast your hamburger buns. This not only adds a delightful crunch, but also helps prevent the bun from getting soggy from the burger juices. Cheese lovers, this next step is for you. During the last minute of cooking, place a slice of your favorite cheese on top of each patty. The residual heat will melt it into a glorious gooey blanket. Now comes the fun part, assembling your burger. Place the cooked patty on the bottom half of the bun. Then pile on your desired toppings: crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, sharp onions, tangy pickles. The choice is yours. Finally, spread your condiments of choice on the top half of the bun. Ketchup, mustard, mayo, or even a special sauce. Anything goes. Complete your masterpiece by placing the top half of the bun over the toppings. And there you have it, your very own homemade burger. To recap, start with shaping your patties and cooking them to perfection. Toast your buns, melt your cheese, and assemble with your favorite toppings and condiments. Remember, the best burger is the one that's made just the way you like it. So go ahead, experiment.